The La Quinta Triple Tier Gazebo was sold at Orchard Supply Hardware and various retailers. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number LQGO19323MBR-BB or 6749550. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 square and is triple tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are triple tier roof design, round cylindrical frame posts, ornate scroll design around top perimeter of frame. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the La Quinta Triple Tier Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.